guys, thanks for joining Naija Watch on this wonderful and educative video. We Naija Watch are here to entertain you with varieties of amazing and top-notch videos. We live stream daily just to make sure your screen is being entertained with amazing videos. So please do endeavor to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click to the notification button so you will always be notified whenever we are going live. Thank you.
Now, good morning. Good morning, my people. I did report for Naija Watch. We represent here. Now, leftist Amos Aginonaya. This program, now Naija Watch better, but he get code name. The code name of this program, when Naija Watch they do for Nigeria for Benin City, we call am Ewanta under Naija Watch. If you see the street where Naija they look so, now Okonwa Street, always a Lagos Road. Yeah, this fence, now restrictional fence. I want to use landmark to take no more than no way I just describe. So not take that too much. Now it's a Lagos Road. Now they see now. This one for my back. Now the side where they come from Ring Road. So if I turn like this now, na side where they go Uselu Market, Ubowo. Now I be this. Waiting bring me come here. You look the surrounding and you know say highly na erosion area. We don reach about 4 days now waiting for. The place never see dry like that. We'll go from go see some. And so many things. And even the gutter shoulder where government create, federal government through FEMA. I think na FEMA so Federal Ministry of Works do. The gutter, the road shoulder, I will show now very soon. It dey cave into the gutters. And moreover, people want pull leg, then fit fall inside. So I want to ask some of the locals here, some of the landlord here. So may you tell me some of the challenges and the expectation where they get, where they need from government. As you can see, now Naija Watch, now I get this program. Naija Watch, now program for Edo people. Where they are abroad, where they tired the way they are state, they can't come together. Say they want to see how it be, whether now which they tell them for abroad. Now also it be for grant. That's why they start this program, so that they go they see her directly and they feel they engage government. Say why you dey leave our people like this? Meanwhile, I dey by Okonwa Junction along Lagos Road. I dey with one man where he volunteer to grant me interview this morning. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir. These programs are na Naija Watch. You fit watch am for YouTube.
Yes.
You just enter na Naija Watch. You see am for YouTube. You dey Facebook. You fit watch this program few hours from now. Na Edo people, not mainly Benin wey dey speak Benin. Edo people wey dey abroad, odobodo Igbo, na dem get together say they want dey know wetin dey happen for their place. No say politician wan do election, they go call am for that side. You come tell dem story, and when they reach here now, the people dey call dem. Water enter house so bring money o. They come say they deceive them because wetin people wey dey who select dey tell them different from wetin they hear. Na evidence say okay, they wan go community where they see all community how e be. Na make me enter Uselu this morning. They get to come ask una how e be because wetin me dey see for this Uselu e don work. Yeah. Oga, your name, sir?
My name na Osayin Okoro.
Domo, sir.
Biwa.
Domo. Yes, sir.
The erosion we will face for this Uselu is too much, especially when rain fall like this.
Yes.
There will be no rain, disturb our work, it disturb the tenants.
Oga, mo just turn, sir. Mo face the road. Make dem know say na no be another place I go shey there. As you see na Uselu Lagos Road. Na I will dey so.
Okay, the erosion we will face here is too much. Even though during the time of Oshomole, every month they used to come and pack the gutter. But during this tenure, I know say our Obaseki, our governor, honorable governor, Obaseki is trying a lot. But you should not forget about what we are facing here. I know say the man they work for different area where beside the still see for television. But the blessing they come abandon us. Oshomole did not abandon us. We know that Oshomole is still trying, Obaseki is still trying. But the problem we are facing, the next rain for Eden and Spawn and Big because the gutter is not packed, the sand is filled up. All the water coming from the sea all used to come and stay here. you give us a lot of hold up, you give us a lot of our tenant there, our work is just kind of miserable. You know, may the government come to our aid. May they come part this gutter. We know only to part the gutter. It's enough for us, you know, because when the rain fall everywhere we feed up. We are suffering a lot in this road. I beg, our governor, Honorable Obaseki, I beg, come to our aid. May you come part this gutter for us, I beg.
Thank you,
That's
sir.
our problem, sir.
Thank you, sir. I also notice, sir, I see this road shoulder because the other upper lane, now Federal Ministry of Works now do one.
Yeah.
This down lane here, service lane here, now Trumpi they call am, now state road, now state one. Now you see the other upper lane where federal government do. I can see say that thing, that road shoulder where they up so, where they take demarcate the gutter. I see I say they fall, and some still fall half. How you dey be? I hope person never fall break left for inside.
Why not? Why not? Some motor go there go when the erosion, when the water full the road,
Yes, sir.
the slab will not cover. When motor is coming from left and right, they will not just brush the pavement. It will not fall inside, and then it has wound a lot of people. And then there's a lot of slab inside the gutter to make the gutter to really feed up. The water is not flowing well. Government should come to our aid. They are seeing all those things. They used to pass here. This is a major road from Benin to Lagos. Government used to pass here. They should not forget about it. You know, they should come to our aid. We are suffering a lot in this road. This is our house. We cannot park away from our house. Many people are run for street. They are still doing Ukuyo Gbogoja right now. They are not finished it. It's taking them a lot of time. You know, this is a work that you should not take up to about 2 months. But since last year they have been working on that road, and then from a solution to Ugbowo, even though our past governor even promised us that they will tie so many roads, no road have been tied except on Ebo Street. All those things most of our problem. The road is not tied. The road that lead to the new Lagos road, no road is tied. From here to Ugbowo, no road is tied.
All those are journey roads.
All those are journey road, which is not supposed to be. You know, there are so many states now they are trying a bad road. Our government is still trying to. They should not forget it. Let it still do a lot. We still need it to do a more work for us. You know, that is why I'm just saying my own feelings.
Thank you, sir. The governor ain't go here because this program it go get to am.
Okay.
So may you just believe say now you know the year they ever award am say they don't go write paper say they don't do am finish. If they don't do am like that, the governor see and see the whole thing. He go see am. And we know say the governor he not get friend. And it's a big people show example. Let us say it never be like that. Thank you, sir. Me I carry Naija Watch train waka round. May you not forget you subscribe YouTube Naija Watch. No YouTube channel for internet. For your phone. No Naija Watch. Watch when you see this program. Yeah. Well done, sir. Meanwhile, me at the waka around they go. You see all those places behind me like this, you see and say, meanwhile, you see some of the slab just now. It be. You see am very soon. The thing be. Okay. You see how the slab be. Now this one be road shoulder where I tell now just now. Stay too. Now be this small one. It stand gidigba. But see the gutter don full. From here just go to Ugbowo na so e be. You see the road shoulder now. When you see am now, you see am say from this side e don cave. You see am na so dey cave in all dey fall inside. If person wan cross now say make pull leg for this thing, no know say e don cheap, make jump to this side. You surprise say you go just miss am. You see this one, how e be. Fema dey this state in dey sleep. Here na federal government road. The other side, but where me dey now na state government road where I dey now. But the upper and federal government road wey get this issue. Make dem come do their work because na federal ministry of works na do this work. Not only that, you see the gutter. I'm sure the gutter na ministry of environment na go do that one. For how many days now? About 3 or 4 days. Wey rain don fall here. Nothing is happening. Rain never dry. Just imagine how e wan be, how e be when rain fall. When the rain fall, from here go like this. From here go like this, they feed up. So I'll try some of those locals. May I ask them. And you can see now here some vehicle they fit pass. if rain fall. If rain fall, well, na Naija watch, as you can see, all those free space we are looking at from this road shoulder, here they go. If the day all dog came inside the gutter. See this one. See some of the problem, frustrations. You see, as a result of water cover here, water will cover here, go reach that slab for middle to the other side, and motorists not dey see where they go cover those slabs. You see this one here now, wetin happen to am. So there are so many issues, I'm telling you, wey Edo like dey face on the part from federal government hand, from state government hand, from local government hand, even senator papa, house of rep member, councillor wey we elect, the same big problem na we dey face. As you can see from the angle where they come from, so like say they come from Ring Road, you will see how the thing be proper. So now very big challenges. The gutters don full. The gutters need to see, even where me dey now, I just notice say gutter there because of slab wey me see here. Even gutter dey this side of it. So this road on one side carry two gutters. See, if Ministry of Environment visit gutters and clear am very well, all those things will be things of the past. Even this erosion wahala here, because the gutters wey dey here, e deep. See, make you see, na gutter that water dey so. Na gutter na that water dey so. See all those road shoulder, even all those space wey dey look so, na road shoulder. Na I just see all of them, all don pull enter. Even this one wey dey here now, e wan pull enter. Na so all of them go take pull enter, and dey pull road users at risk. The primary duty of government or governance, as I dey talk, na to protect the life of the citizens. All the lanes, no one is motorable. If you see all these lanes here, on both sides, I don dey approach Iyoba now. No one dey motorable at all. All those places wey you just see so, all those places water dey full am, all those places just come, so water dey full am. No be say joke. See, and funny enough, the funny thing wey dey say this road na high of Benin. This road straight from Lagos to enter Benin, visitor go rate us say na who dirty pass. See am. See weed cover gutter. Weed cover gutter. You see here now has been abandoned by the owners because of erosion issues. Now all those places do coffee nowadays, so for Selu Lagos Road. See all those places now for inside time be like thick forest along Selu Lagos Road. Now I be this. May I enter the slab well. May you see some of the things where I dey talk. You see, people dey struggle to pass. Even say our EAs dey struggle to pass. You see that corner wey stand now. You see say that slab, one side don fall inside. The age people, that is people wey don old, young children wey dey go school, all of them dey, and all na victim of this problem. See now, as you can see, this slab don't fall inside gutter. Yeah, take care. Yeah, see how those places don't fall inside, don't cave inside gutter. Here na gutter as they go so like this. Na gutter. Meanwhile, I see those Uselu Lagos Road as they approach popular Uselu Motor Park. Oh na no. Now I thought they also approach on the other side with this camera face. So our traditional ground, Idaiken Palace. You see all those places gutter be there, all don feed up. This is the sole responsibility of Ministry of Environment to deseed those gutters. And even outside that, well done sir, I say that day sir, So sir, I wan ask you some information.
Yes.
Wetin dey happen for dis area? Because where me you stand now,
Yes.
I come find say gutter even dey there.
Everything don block.
Everything don block.
If rain fall for here now, you no go fit pass. You see this place?
Yes sir.
If rain, just small rain, you no go fit, everywhere go block. Water dey enter people house, water dey rush dey enter. Here na river.
Okay.
We beg the government make e don do am for us.
Okay.
You understand? So any small thing dem no fit pass again. Thank you, sir.
How many days dis rain wey still dey here don fall so?
We don reach 3 days now.
3 days.
Yes.
Na still be like that.
Exactly.
Even when we dey talk of governor, make governor help us.
Yes.
I still wan use this one tell our people we need to help ourselves.
Yes.
Person carry water, he drink sachet water, he throway am for ground.
Exactly.
You drink bottle water, he throway am for ground.
Exactly.
Na the same problem.
But those you can look this place now, you will not see sachet or block of this. This is just a block drain. The drain is blocked.
Okay.
If the government come and help us now, we will still do our own part.
Make dem sit am.
Yes, make dem. You cannot see any bottle water here. Did you see anyone?
No, I don't see.
So the drain is blocked. Let the government come and help us.
Okay,
This is
oga,
what we need.
may I still ask you one other question?
Okay.
Now at times una dey see this gutter,
Yes.
una go clear am.
Exactly.
Abi?
Yes.
Then if una clear am finish, who wey the dirty come out, who come dey help una pack am away?
It has been very long. I've seen that. It has been very, very long.
Yes.
Because for now, they never do such thing like that. Let's pack it. Because if government should say, okay, this is a sanitation day,
Yes.
they're holy, everybody will come out.
Yes.
And when everybody come out, I think all this problem will solve.
Yes.
You understand? But
Yes.
now there is no sanitation day. All the sand are coming from the street, block the drain. We find out that we enter difficulties.
Oga, sanitation day don dey nice to not lis ten to news.
Okay.
Government don announce, Edo State government don announce say every Saturday
Yes.
make people dey do sanitation.
Let it be fetish. It's not fetish.
No why not dey look am like that.
Yes.
Make we talk to ourselves.
Yes.
Nobody go tell you say go wash your teeth.
Exactly.
Government don come and say make we do environmental for our environment every Saturday.
Yes.
But no restriction on movement. You know why restriction on movement no dey?
Exactly.
Why restriction on movement no dey?
Yes.
Na court judgement na im stop government to restrict movement for that one, because during environmental time that time wey no movement, some person no well, dem wan carry am go hospital, no see motor.
People do expect from morning till 10 o'clock. For environmental.
Government no fit overrule court judgement.
Okay.
There's a court judgement.
Okay.
But that no say you, me wey dey, make we no use that money till 10 wey government talk.
Yeah.
Make we no do environmental, because government fit come dem come serve you paper. You say no announce environmental.
Yeah.
Over 3 weeks now,
Exactly.
Edo State government don announce environmental.
Okay.
So you see carry this news go tell people say every Saturday
Yes.
na to clean your environment.
Exactly.
But the only thing wey still remain, if I clean my environment pass the way gutter dey come out, wey government suppose to even do, then who go come pack am? Government suppose to don pack am through Ministry of Environment.
Exactly.
Dem no dey come.
no
Na
dey
make me ask you that question just now, say who dey pack am away? But you go carry news,
Yes,
go tell people say there's environmental
Saturday.
every Saturday.
Of the month.
Yes, every Saturday.
Of the month.
Yes, the first Saturday dey month,
Yeah.
you must do environmental.
Exactly.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. This program na Naija Watch. Na you get am. If you go YouTube,
Yes.
your type am Naija Watch. You go see all this thing wey I dey tell. Na even yourself, you go see am. You tell your children, if you get Android phone, Naija Watch. Well done, sir.
Thank you very
Yes, sir. May I carry my train go front? Well, na the matter we still dey as we see am so. I dey Oselu Lagos road. Then the time go whether I fit waka reach Ugbowo to tell the people or to enligh ten the people more. But meanwhile, I wan send am clear say this road shoulder don make many accidents happen here, don make people break leg and hand, don cause many gbege for family wey family go come dey cry. But na duty of government to make sure say dem clear fix this road shoulders. As you can see, say dem fix the road shoulder. Because once, like for example, this very place now like this wey my leg dey so, and I wan cross to the other side, and this thing don pull, I no know. The only thing I go see na I go find myself for inside gutter, and e no work. And the Ministry of Environment make dem come ensure say they clear those gutters. Once they clear these gutters, they clear am, those issue of erosion go be things of the past. And you can see even those wey dey sweep no get how dem wan take dey pack am, as you see say na even ground dem dey put the thing dey sweet. So na responsibility of government na im to, if for not to throw am there na for find where gather am put, my sister, for find where gather this thing put, because na the same nuisance wey this thing dey cause wey dey talk about na every day. You find where gather am put or outside this place. That what I mean, this sand wey you gather now, you use am for bucket, pack am by like that fence. You know that, like what you dey do now, e dey cause more harm. At least do that one now. You understand? Though. Meanwhile, I dey front of popular Uselu Park. Here na old Uselu Park, the most popular park for those states. Even musicians use am sing that time. Uselu Motor Park. May I go where? Na street I dey. May I come ask them question? Okay, me I go ask Zama. What are they run now? Okay, me I want ask you. I go use my mind ask Zama. No, not be English. Na English I speak. Oga, me I not go school. Because when I want to go school, my headmaster died. 2 died. Now I say school not be my destiny. So what I want to try know how this environment be. What I tell they affect you now. You rain fall. Yes, sir.
Mama, I arrange my park. If you know where to come.
Yes, sir.
I know they enjoy your park. Say nothing. Yeah.
Yes.
If you enjoy your park, that's where they happen first. That road. You know, sir. See, you don't see. Everything where they water.
As una build defense eye so.
Water they enter. Something where they happen for Uselu Park. I don't like that thing.
Yes.
If you really want to call self, I dey carry me to go express. That express where they enter me to there and go front. I don't like that thing where they happen. I beg Nigeria. I beg her. I beg government. I beg.
Yes.
That toilet where they dey self no good.
Where the toilet dey?
In there, in there back.
I beg go show me the toilet.
May come show you.
Well, this is Naija Watch.
I saw.
Na Uselu Motor Park, one of the most famous park for Edo State. If you want talk of park for Edo State, you say park na Uselu Motor Park. Na they go mention. Even we as small children that time, we hear many records where they use this park play. That time, it's the most popular park. But today, na shadow of itself as erosion, they affect the people where they do business here. They reduce their customers. And customer dey no life come because nobody as I talk go like to swim inside this kind of water, especially some places dey if rain dey fall they put that even carry piece carry shit come put inside. Say where they carry me come now, say if rain fall e dey enter those places and then even we go even see the sign here sef. If rain fall e dey cover all those places. So they cover all those places. So na erosion problem na dey worry this park. And this park, may I look down completed building here sef. This park dey generate revenue to the progress of Edo State, and the people here needs to be encouraged. Na Benin na we dey so Uselu Lagos Road, and you can see this one na abandoned buildings. Na rain na pursue those wey dey here comot. So may I carry my this thing go Lagos Road. Good morning, bros. Na erosion matter no be big deal. If you get into tell me, I fit interview you if you no mind. Okay. Although you fit watch the program for Naija Watch for YouTube.
Oga, see my Oga na Oga.
Oga not ready to talk. Thank you very much.
No one.
Meanwhile, where do I call this road, sir?
Na Uselu Park Market.
No, this road. Okay, Good Samaritan. I want pass one of the Appian gate of the of the park enter Good Samaritan. Me from there cut and enter Oselu Lagos Road. You can see all those adjoining streets as that man talk just now. You can see evidence. You see how those ordinary ground now don turn to small mini upstairs because people wan prevent water may not enter. Even when they do am, e dey cross over. They cross over. Even there is where connect the train llama here and all those things. So they cross over, and this one they cause environmental nuisance. This one na fence before wey come be ordinary ground, so even the water they cross over. So they call on the state government to do their bit, the federal government to do their own bit, even the people to do their own bit too. Why people want to do their own bit na to ensure say they no dey throw water for inside, they no dey throw sachet water dirty for inside gutter. That na the part of the people. How the people still manage? If they see ranch here for along Oselu Lagos Road, if the people, these ones always want dey pose environmental nuisance threat to us. As you can see that everything here is, you get as it be. Here on the pose environmental threat. Well, meanwhile na Naija watch I see dey live as I dey record am, na so dey show for everywhere. E good make government rise up to their responsibility. Like I will dey talk of environment. Such thing na dey cause environmental issues. As you can see here, you no need pastor to tell you say mosquito. People wey dey here na malaria na be their best friend, and doctor na their closest friend to see gutter as e full. See, meanwhile popular Oselu Lagos Road na be there as you can see. I see popular Oselu Lagos Road na I dey so, and Good Samaritan pass come out to confirm wetin that first man tell me. True all the road e get as e be. If express road wey be the eye of the state be like this, wetin wan talk of other parts. So they bring this news to the doorstep of the people, those though in diaspora wey dey abroad, make dem see how e really be. See some of the wood wey people dey cross over here. Me I see pattern. I wan enter the main road again. As you can see, e be like say I go cross to the other side. At the other side na better wheat grow. Na e grow. I dey approach the Oselu market. As you can see, on the other side is the Daken Palace. As you dey see am so, I wan see how I fit cross to see the situation of the other side of the road. You see how motorists dey pass the straight lane. Next be too square. E be like say na dey gallop, the way they call am sand wey take over the road. Meanwhile, I don dey cross so. Naija train don cross Oselu Lagos Road. Now e go the other side now. You can see how e be. How this gutter don carry weed. If they plant cassava for here, my brother, not be small. They allow me I can carry farm. So government should be responsible. The people should be responsible. Everybody will do our work. Don't imagine a gutter. This gutter will reach about 6 feet. This way gutter way full to this very level. So it's our collective responsibility to do our part, and government to also do the part to avoid dangerous issues, to avoid loss of life, especially like that area or that slab, and make them make us look clean to the rest of the world. You know, to say prostitution Bini, this one armed robbery Bini, courtesy Bini, dirty Bini. They say Edo State all those things, they align all those negativity to Edo State. And now we are good people, we dey accommodate people. Where people not allow people stay, we go allow them stay. So may they not go turn, may not go and use all those things they give us negative effect in the eyes of the world. Where Naija Watch, those who watch this program should subscribe to our YouTube page. My name remain Leftist Igbinowaya, reporting for Naija Watch.
Watching with us, and please do not forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification button so you will always be notified whenever we're going live. Thank you.